Push beyond the edge of what's possible. Redefine your limits. Introducing the Apple Watch Ultra, designed to go further, faster, and stronger. Engineered with extreme conditions in mind, it's built from titanium for strength, with a 49mm case that's ready for adventure. Water-resistant to 100 meters, with specialized dive features, perfect for those who explore both land and sea. Track your heart rate, elevation, and workout metrics with unparalleled accuracy, because every moment counts. With the new action button, your most essential tools are always just a touch away. Wherever your journey takes you, the Apple Watch Ultra is more than just a companion. It's the ultimate tool for those who live beyond the ordinary. And with unmatched connectivity, stay in touch wherever you go, from the peak of the mountain to the depths of the ocean. Apple Watch Ultra. Built for those who go beyond. Are you ready? Introducing the Apple Watch Ultra, a design as bold as your ambitions. Crafted for those who live on the edge. With a rugged titanium case, the Apple Watch Ultra is engineered for strength and lightness, designed to withstand the harshest environments while remaining stunningly refined. Every detail, from the 49mm titanium case to the customizable action button, is built with precision, ready for your next adventure. Experience clarity and ease with a 2000 nit Retina display, the brightest screen on any Apple Watch, even in direct sunlight. Stay connected and track your journey with advanced GPS, heart rate monitoring, and real-time metrics, whether you're running, diving, or hiking. Specifications that push boundaries. 49mm titanium case. Up to 100 water resistance. Dual-frequency GPS for precise navigation. 36 hours of battery life, with up to 60 hours on low-power mode. Enhanced heart rate and health sensors. Action button for instant control. Long-lasting performance, with up to 36 hours of battery life, ensuring you're always ready for the next challenge. Designed to adapt to every part of your life, rugged in the wild, refined in the city. Starting at $799, the Apple Watch Ultra is the ultimate combination of luxury, durability, and performance. Apple Watch Ultra. For those who demand more. When performance, design, and innovation meet, the only question left is, are you ready?